The desert emits a strange humming sound, like thousands of people chanting sutras. At night, the rock formations shift on their own, and new castles appear the next day. The only warning sign reads, "Do not hum on the sand dunes. It may trigger a sandstorm." For hundreds of kilometers, there is not a single blade of grass, and even birds and beasts are rarely seen. The Devil's City in Gansu, China. When the strong wind howls, the Devil's City plays its mysterious melody. The wind shuttles and reverberates among the mounds, making a shrill howling sound, like ghosts wailing and wolves howling, which makes people shudder. Precisely because of this, it has been given the name Devil's City. The surface temperature here can reach up to 70 degrees Celsius in summer. Due to the excessive magnetic field, the compass also loses its way here. It took scientists several years to discover that the devil's chanting is generated by the resonance of quartz sand.